Have you ever wondered why so many traders struggle when they switch from demo to live account? It's not just the fear of losing real money, but today I'm going to show you how I turn my demo account into the ultimate trading ground for success. Hey, I'm OLUWA-POUNDS, a fundamental forex trader. Over the years, I've realized that a demo account isn't just for beginners. It's a powerful tool to level up your trading skills, and in this video, I will show you exactly how I use it effectively. Why a demo account are very powerful. So this is a demo account. This is a demo account of a $500. A demo account is your practice field. It lets you try out strategies, get familiar with the market, and understand how your trading platform works, all without risking real money. Even me, as an experienced trader, I use demo account to test new strategies and tools before going live. Before I start going live, I test my strategies on a demo account to make sure I have a very perfect winning rate before funding a live account. First, I set my demo account balance to match what I would trade live. This keeps my expectation realistic and helps me to avoid overtrading. If I know that I will fund a $500 account, I will fund that same $500 account in my demo account to practice. So under the difference of testing my strategies, I focus on one strategy at a time. For instance, I traded the unemployment claims for USD, which is yesterday by 2:30. So I want to show you guys how I analyze the market and how I combined it from the technical analysis also with the fundamental analysis. So guys, we have unemployment claims today by 2:30. We have unemployment claims, and our previous is 219k and our forecast is 220k, 1k difference. So I think we'll be shorting this particular market, but let's combine it with our technical analysis. Okay, these are fundamental analysis. We are shorting USD-JPY, but with the combination of our technical analysis, then we'll know whether to short the market or to buy the market. So guys, from the fundamental analysis, you can see we are expecting to short USD-JPY, but let us combine it with our technical analysis. This is a 1 minute time frame. Draw a trend line. You can see how many touches we have in this trend line. You can see the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, plus this particular one. So we're expecting price to push up to the upside. And for the fundamental analysis, it says you should short this market. So okay. So I will be taking the risks of longing this market. I'll be taking the risks of buying USD-JPY instead of selling because of so many technical things I've seen in this market. So I'm expecting price to push up to this trend line here instead of price to keep on going down. I'm expecting price to push up to this trend line before continuing going down, or you can see a reversal and price will continue going to the upside. Remember, this is a 1 minute time frame. We are scalping, just like we are scalping. After like 2 minutes after the news, we're out of the market, and that's all. So we'll be buying from here. We'll be buying. We're in already. We'll be buying from here. Our stop loss will be buying from the current market price. Our stop loss should be 10 pips. Stop loss should be 10 pips. And our take profit should be 30 pips. Or let us just take this, our take profit to this particular sweeping liquidity here. Just leave it here. That is how much, 32 pips. So guys, we are in already. Let's see what the markets have for us. As you can see now, guys, price just smashed our take profit. Yeah, you see, combining fundamentals and technical analysis together will give you a 90 plus setup, 90% percentage setup. As you can see, I just hit our take profit, and we'll be expecting to short this market again if price could take us down to this place. If price should close below this trend line, if price should close below this trend, we'll be expecting to short again we're expecting to short because this is the 1 minute time frame. We're expected to short again. So next again, you have to, after this particular trade, you have to journal your trade. You understand? So if you make profits or you lose, make sure you journal your trade. As for me, every trade I take, win or loss, I record it in my trading journey. I analyze what went well and what didn't, which helped me continuously improve. What's good, guys? So now there are some common pitfalls you need to avoid while trading demo account. You need to avoid this particular thing. Number one, we have over trading. Yeah, it's easy to over trade when there is no real money at risk, but stick to your plan and treat every demo trade as it was your live account. Number two, you have unrealistic balance. Yeah, if you plan to trade with $500 in real time, don't practice on a 50,000 demo account. It screws your perception of risks. Ignoring emotional preparations. Demo accounts don't duplicate the emotions for real trading, but by building confidence in your strategy, you will feel more prepared for the pressure. In this particular concept, we'll be talking about how to transition from a demo account to a live account. But if you want me to teach you how to open a real account and others, then I will do it in my next video. But now there are two particular steps I want you to have in mind. First of all, start small. When you are ready, open a micro account or a small account. This minimizes your risks while helping you adjust to trading with real money. Second one is stick to your rules. Always stick to your rules. Don't suddenly change your approach. Follow the same strategy and discipline you practice on your demo account. What's good, guys? So a demo account is more than just a practice tool. It's where you build the skills and confidence to trade life successfully. Use it wisely and it will set you for a very long-term success. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button, subscribe for more trading insights, and let me know in the comment section what's your biggest takeaway from demo trading. See you guys next Sunday. Peace out.